Well, hello and welcome to another vlog. The weather's a little bit different to it was last time I saw you guys. Yeah, glorious sunshine, so we'll see what we can get this evening. So you join me again in the northwest, again another local vlog. I've driven down here, I've had a few errands to do today, so I thought whilst I've finished I'll park up, get a few shots on this beautiful late February day. So the idea of today is to get to shoot three different areas. I'm going to start over at Spike Island, where there's an old barge, old wooden barge that's actually embedded into the embankment. And I'm hoping to get that with the 14 to 24 with the bridge in the background as well. So that's the first location. Then I'm going to move towards where the Gateway Bridge is, and I'm hopefully going to do a couple of things there. So there's a shot where the bridge actually swoops around. Now hopefully it'll be quite a nice sunset tonight. There's not really enough cloud in the sky to get any mood and drama in there, but we'll see what we can get. So that'll be my sunset image. And then once it starts to get dark, I'm going to head further behind you guys over towards my right hand side, and then the mechanical or the metal flower that I did a couple of vlogs ago, take a nighttime shot of that. Hopefully it should be lit up. If not, I've brought the Loom Cube with me. I'll do something with that and yeah, sort of make it stand out a little bit more. I'm not finished with that location yet, so come and join me. We'll see what we can get, and yeah, we'll crack on. So I've just turned up into Spike Island now, and it's absolutely rammed. But I've just come to the location where I'm going to take my first shot from, and yeah, it looks quite tasty. The tide's just receded, so the sand or the silt on the riverbed is full of reflection. So we'll get some of that. You couldn't want for better weather conditions I've got at the moment. We've got bright sunshine shining on the bridge and a few clouds in the distance, just adding a little bit of something additional to the image, just the way I like it. So I'm going to take a few more images from around here and then head round to the second location. But yeah, I'm just loving being here. It's quite funny with Spike Island being as busy as it is. People are walking around wondering what I'm doing, obviously down here with the camera, and then spotting the view and actually taking a few shots on their iPhones themselves. Tends to happen quite a lot of that. So yeah, just admiring this view, and then we'll move on.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we could.
Does feel like a real fresh spring afternoon now. Hopefully we're out of the winter, hopefully we're out of the lockdowns, etc. very soon. So it does feel, sort of being out, everyone's chatting to each other, everyone's a bit more pleasant. It doesn't feel like there's that sort of world depression on us at the minute. It just feels like a new lease of life. Yeah, it's quite a nice evening to be out. So that's location 1 complete. So I'm now on the second location, which is directly under the new Mersey Gateway Bridge. I'm not sure if we're meant to be on here, but the fence that was originally built has been either knocked down or torn down by somebody. So yeah, whilst it's taken down, I'm going to make the best of this opportunity. So I'm going to focus on a couple of images now, just focusing around on this, well, I'm basically underneath the bridge now, and it swoops all the way around. So I'm going to take a few images now, using some of the reflections in the puddles maybe, and yeah, just sort of seeing what I can get. Now in the past sort of 10-15 minutes it's taken to get around to this location, all the cloud has just disappeared out of the sky. So when I took the last couple of images, there was a bit of a bank of cloud, but that's gone. So it could be a bit of a flat sunset, but yeah, if we get a little bit of colour, I don't really care. I'm out in the sun, it's nice weather. So I've just taken a few images there of the bridge, trying to get some reflections. The problem is there's a bit of a breeze coming through, so yeah, it's kind of hampering the reflections in the water. But I'm working this location a bit more. I'm going to send the drone up now and just sort of see what I can get from up above, and yeah, you never know, I might be able to get something. So I think I've done all I can from this location as well now. As I said earlier, the cloud just disappeared. It's just clear skies. A little bit of purple hue in the distance, but nothing enough to give it any drama or any real bite to the image. So I'm going to head on now to the last location, which is the metal flower, which I did on a previous vlog. The one, I think it's two vlogs ago, 3 vlogs ago. How many vlogs am I doing? Anyway, I'm going to go back to the metal flower. I'll put a link up with the original vlog on. So yeah, the bridge is starting to light up now. But yeah, had enough of this location. Going to head to the metal flower. Now I do believe it lights up over night time, and what I wanted to try and do is get a shot of it lit up with this bridge in the background. So the metal flower in the foreground, this in the that that thing there in the background. So we'll see if that works and see if we can get an image from it. So I'm going to head up there now. So by the time I get to my next location, it's going to probably be dark actually. So I'm going to finish the vlog now. Stick around to the end to get the last images, and I'll see what I've got there. If I do show any images, they've worked out all right. If I don't, they haven't. But yeah, I'll finish the vlog here. I hope you're all doing well. Great news on the Prime Minister announcing that we're kind of going to go back into normality slowly but surely. But yeah, hopefully that's all good news for everybody, and it sort of inspires everybody to start planning now for the future. So yeah, probably time to say goodbye from Spike Island, West Bank ish area by the Mersey Gateway Bridge. Stay safe, all the best, see you real soon. New vlogs coming out, new material coming out. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, give me the old thumbs up, and yeah, see you again very, very soon. Take care now, bye bye.